Welcome teachers and educators. My name is Hilary Romer and I'm very passionate about education, science, and geology. I have a bachelor's degree in geology and I also have another bachelor's degree in education, majoring in science and minoring in social studies. I'm a Saskatchewan teacher who has been helping create resources for the Saskatchewan Mining Association. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Saskatchewan Mining Association's Potash Kit. These resource kits are provided free to educators and can be ordered online through the SMA website or requested through your school division science consultants. Kits are assembled every summer in collaboration with Saskatchewan potash producing companies and the Town of Esterhazy Potash Interpretive Centre. Each kit includes a series of curriculum correlated lessons that focus on this important mineral resource, potash. Through our website links, you will find fully developed lesson plans for Grade 4, Grade 7, and Chemistry 30. You'll also find links to Physical Science 20, Earth Science 30, and Practical and Applied Arts Energy and Mines. For specifics, check out the SMA website under Outreach to find the order form, lesson plans, and curriculum connections. Okay, so let's see what's inside our kit. Each kit comes with a teacher sample, this sample of potash is a little bit larger than the student samples and will allow you to see more key characteristics more clearly. Next, in your box, you'll find a package containing 30 to 15 student samples of potash, depending on the size of the ore. Note that these samples are consumable, meaning that they will be used up during the lessons that explore potash solution mining. If you have multiple classes, you'll need one kit per class of 30 students. This is a good time to check out what you have in your kit and think ahead about how you're going to pass out these samples to students. Are they working in groups? Maybe you want to save a couple samples to use as examples of sedimentary rocks. In addition to the potash rock samples, you will also receive a sample of granular potash or potash muriate. You can use this as an example of refined potash, but you will also need it during the lesson to create a supersaturated solution in one of the later lessons in the series. Lastly, you'll find some printed materials. These printed materials are also in your kit. Newer kits will include a set of task card lesson plans. These task cards are almost like a quick little cheat sheet to outline each of the lesson plans in the series. Depending on what your kit was made, you'll either have QR codes or website links. If the QR codes are broken, don't worry, you can find everything on our SMA website under Outreach. Here's a little bit of an older version with the QR codes. You'll also find a brochure of the Saskatchewan Potash Interpretive Centre in Esterhazy, where the kits are assembled. If you ever have the opportunity to tour the museum, it has some amazing hands-on experiences about the history of potash mining in Saskatchewan. And you'll also find a social media card. We would love to keep connected to your classroom and the experiences that you have with your potash kits. So please share them with us. A quick recap: in today's video, we unboxed the Saskatchewan Mining Association's Potash Kit. We found a teacher's sample, student samples, granular potash, and task card lesson plans. Everything you will need to accompany the free curriculum correlated lesson plans that I showed you on our website. In our next video, we'll be exploring some of the introductory lessons. Potash, what is it? Is there potash under our feet? And the Healing Waters of Manitou activity. Remember to check out our free resources and lessons available through the SMA website, or email us at education@saskmining.ca if you have any questions. Until next time, on behalf of the Saskatchewan Mining Association, thanks for watching. Remember, stay curious, ask questions, and never stop exploring. Bye.